What is going on, guys? Back here with another video. So today we're going to be taking the bumper off the 328i and we're going to be making a custom bash bumper. Big shout out to Drift HQ. This video isn't sponsored, but they're always coming through. So there you have it. The lights are out. I mean, literally, if you know what you're doing, it takes about 2 minutes. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. The clip, main clip, it all comes out. You can see here the bash bumper, the factory one. So we're gonna be unbolting it there, unbolting it there, and then using this pipe and bending something up, welding it all together. It should look pretty cool when it's done. Okay, so I've cut the bumper off. I took it off the car to cut it. Both sides. So I've decided to keep these and weld plates onto the end. Okay, plates are on. Got a test fitment. Not the greatest welds, but they're welded decent enough. Got both sides done here. So we're gonna build some up pipe. Some little pieces that go from here up. And we'll start bending this pipe. All right, end of day one. Plates are welded, uprights are in, and that first bash bar is in place. Super happy with how it turned out. Couldn't ask for any better. So we're gonna put that bottom bar on tomorrow and some braces, and hopefully it's good to go. Day 2. So I've gone ahead, I've got this lower bar bent this morning. I did my upper bar to 84 inches, my lower bar to 68 inches. Both the bends are 21 inches out from center, so it looks pretty uniform. Now it's just a matter of getting that height. Right now I'm directly with the bottom there, so I'm pretty happy with that. So nothing comes up and takes out the radiator or oil pan. Okay, so we got this first pipe notch, and I got the second one here cut, and I'm gonna notch that for right there. So there you have it, bottom bar is tacked into position. I'm gonna probably take it off here and weld the backside just because it is tight. Okay, so I've ended up taking it off the car, finished up all these welds on the back side. Some of them aren't the prettiest, but it's definitely welded together. So I'm just at that point now where I'm gonna start sanding. Okay, end of day 2. We are there. We are bent, we are welded, we are mounted. We just need to get ready for some paint now. Day 3. It's painted. Looks wicked. So I'm gonna do side rails here. Right here to here. I'm gonna do side rails. And then we are also gonna do the rear bumper here next. And then I just put some tips on this. So, waiting for my buddy to come over, and he's gonna say A or nay for the location, and then we're gonna send it with the welder.